point in a grammar, and today we will learn about the difference between the sentences and phrases. But first of all, you tell me the what is mean by sentence and what is mean by phrase. I ask question. The question is first what is mean by sentence, and second is what is mean by phrase. Okay. So, my dear students, after these definitions of sentence and phrase, we learn the difference between the sentence and phrases, and then we study about some examples. So, sentences and phrases are a different type of word groups. Sentences and phrases are different types of word groups. Means that the sentence means this type of word groups is a different to the sentence of to the phrase or a group of words. Means that in a sentence different types of words are there, and in a phrase different types of words are there. So a phrase is a group of words. What is mean by phrase? A phrase is a group of words that does not express the complete idea. But a sentence is a group of words that makes the complete sense. See here, sentence means sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words that makes the complete sense. That makes the complete sense. And phrase is a group of words. Phrase is a group of words that, what is meant by phrase? The phrase is a group of words that does not express the complete idea. Understand what is meant by sentence and what is meant by phrase? Sentence means sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words that makes the complete sense. This is called the sentence. What is meant by sentence? Sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words that makes the complete sense. अशा वर्ड्सचा ग्रुप की ज्याच्यामधून कंप्लीट सेन्स मीन्स त्याचा मीनिंग जो आहे, जे आपल्याला बोलायचं आहे त्याची जर आपण सेंटेन्स लिहिली तर त्याचा पूर्ण मीनिंग आपल्याला समजतो. पण फ्रेज मध्ये तसं होतं का? नो. ओके. सो फ्रेज मीन्स a phrase is a group of words that does not express the complete idea. फ्रेज म्हणजे असा वर्डचा ग्रुप की ज्याच्यामधून कंप्लीट आयडिया एक्सप्रेस होत नाही. दिस इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द सेंटेन्स अँड फ्रेज. सेंटेन्स मीन्स a sentence is a group of words that makes the complete sense, and phrase means phrase is a group of words that does not express the complete idea. Okay. So my dear students, a phrase not have the subject and predicate, therefore cannot stand alone to make sense. Like the move slowly, cute pop, like this. Phrase examples of phrase is a moved slowly. Then cute pop. Okay. So in a sentence, how we prepare the sentence? So the tortoise moved slowly. The tortoise मूव्ड स्लोली. बघा, मूव स्लोली, काय करा, हळू जा किंवा हळू जातो. हे काय झालं, फ्रेज झालं. त्याच्यामध्ये कंप्लीट सेंटेन्स आला का, त्याचं कंप्लीट मिनिंग आलं का, नो. बट इन अ सेंटेन्स वी राइट द सेंटेन्स अँड सेंटेन्स इज द tortoise moved slowly. The tortoise moved slowly means that this sentence shows the complete sense. This sentence shows the complete sense, but this phrase does not shows or express the complete idea or sense. Understand? This is the difference between the sentence and phrase. As well as a sentence contains the subject or predicate. Sentence always contains the subject and predicate, but phrase do not contain the subject and predicate. Sentence always contains the subject and predicate, but phrase do not contain the subject and predicate. Okay? Sentence is a group of words but that express the complete sense. But phrase do not. This is a group of words but does not express the complete idea or sense. Okay. So my dear students, here we give some examples and you write down which is the sentence and which is the phrase. Okay, so these examples we write on a blackboard, so please write down these examples. So first is the eggs, flour and sugar. Eggs, flour and sugar. So you write here this sentence is a sentence or phrase. Okay, then second is across the bridge. Across the bridge. Okay, then third is she working in the mall. She working in the mall. Then fourth, I eat a mango. I eat a mango. Okay, and fifth is we went to the mall. We went to the mall. Okay, so my dear students, today's homework of subject grammar, write these words of group. Write and read these words of groups and show or decide if it is a phrase or a sentence. हे phrase आहे की sentence आहे हे तुम्ही शोधायचं आहे, रीड करायचे, राईट करायचे नोटबुक मध्ये. ते जर फ्रेज असेल तर पुढे जिथे स्पेस ठेवलेला आहे तिथे फ्रेज लिहायचं, जर सेंटेन्स असेल तर सेंटेन्स लिहायचं. Okay, so today's homework of subject grammar, solve these examples and send me on a WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.